Yep, got a intermittent troublemaking dishwasher here, and you'll see why. So this one would run through, its cycle randomly would stop, and notice if I just push this side, it would go. So the first order of business was to center the dishwasher in the space. I noticed it was hitting some of the drawers on the side, and that was putting kind of tension on the door, so it wouldn't latch very well. And after doing that, wound up fiddling with this latch plate, or this the latch post. You can see how you can slide it forward or backwards a little bit just by loosening the screws. So tried it in a few different positions to get it in just the right spot to where it would engage the switch better. And then just gotta kind of move the door while it's running a bit while it's latched, and just make sure it doesn't turn off. Yep, this one was a new dishwasher, but my thought is that again, the way the door was closing up against the drawers there was putting tension on it, and so it kind of messed up the door latch a little bit. And that was that. Not too difficult, but took a few times to get it just right, to get it maneuvered over. Yep, here again, just want to kind of grab the door and move it and make sure that it doesn't turn off on its own. That's what I did. Nice and easy, no big deal. Dishwasher's back in business. And if need be, the latch post or the latch itself can be changed out, but that's a different story for a different day. Hopefully not on this particular dishwasher. It seems that this one has been going good. It's been a few weeks or so now. A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should be able to find a bunch of material that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs, and links to tools and parts used in the videos can be found in the descriptions below.